If you dread AC breakdowns but love a chill home, keep life breezy with Pro Comfort AC. Your comfort is just a call away. We're your local, family-owned HVAC pros in Deerfield Beach, here to handle AC installations, repairs, and replacements with no hidden fees. Need emergency service? We're on it 24/7. Enjoy energy-efficient systems, expert duct cleaning, and honest, transparent pricing every step of the way. Stay cool and comfortable year-round. Call Pro Comfort AC today and let us take care of the heat.